Today's weather is very nice, not cold, not hot, and this is better axe. Alright. Factory today, recently days, it's very busy because of busy orders. This is the calibration place. And one machine calibrate here and the data inside. Then when the machine ready your place, necessary to recalibrate. This is double monitor, and we have the knowledge information for what is the alignment and when to do the car alignment, and also what is the car angle, and what will be cost and what will be the problem. And here is the busy orders preparation for delivery before the Chinese New Year. See, it's very busy. Camera big. This is Bluetooth CCD wheel alignment. Too busy. Cabinet box assemble. Different customers, the logo silk print plate over here, and also target plate, making place, and also over here. Battle axe.